Hi, my babies. Welcome back to my channel. Here we are on Ask the Alpha, where I talk about relationship issues, mental health things, trauma, and all that good stuff. On today's topic, we're going to be talking about dating again after emotional abuse. Yeah, that's today's topic. I had to look at my checkboard. All right, let's get into it. So first thing, when you are looking to date again after being emotionally abused, and emotional abuse can look like anything from being extraordinarily talked down on, being taken out of your worth, being controlled, anything in that, that paradigm. What you're gonna want to do is firstly look inward. I say that every time. I know y'all probably tired of me, but you have to do it. It's a part of the process. You're gonna want to start looking inward, and you're gonna make sure that nothing that has been said to you has taken a toll on your esteem. Doing small things to get back to yourself. For example, if you were in something controlling with a partner, right? You're gonna want to do the things that you've wanted to do. I'm not saying go crazy and get 1,000 tattoos, maybe dye your hair 100 colors. I ain't saying all that, but the things that you genuinely had liked to do that maybe you didn't feel the most comfortable doing, do those things. Do those things, right? Go get them nails done that color you like. Maybe wear shorter shorts. If it makes you feel sexy, fuck it. Do whatever it is that makes you feel good. That's very important, and it's healthy. And it's healthy because at the end of the day, yes, it's important that we compromise somewhat when we get into relationships, but we don't want to completely lose who we are, because when we do that, then when we date someone else, now we're basically dating them, and that's it. And it's like, where did we go? Now we're being swallowed up. I just want you to think about it, right? You're supposed to be two halves of a heart, and if you just take away all of your heart to make them happy, now you're just becoming what they've wanted you to do, and now you're a circle. You don't want to be a circle. You want to be a heart. We all want to be a heart. We all want to be a heart, right? You just have to think like that. We all want to be a heart. Okay. Yeah. Short, sweet, simple, straight to the point. I think that it's very important that we do look towards our traits and hobbies that we've liked. And if you come out of a relationship and the first thing that you say is, well, I don't even like really doing anything, all that means is that you haven't spent enough time with yourself to really get to know the things that you like to done, right? For example, I used to be one of those girls who actually didn't really have hobbies. My last relationship was rather long, and all I would do was work, sleep, eat, maybe go to the gym occasionally, and like school. And that was it. And I didn't really have any hobbies. I might have hanged with my friends a couple of times, but I didn't really have anything individual that I like to do except lay in bed when I was on my cycle and watch Netflix. And that counts, right? But sometimes you do want to do other things, because I am noticing a shift within myself. And I use myself as an example because I just feel like if you spend enough time with yourself, you get to know yourself so much better. Right now, I like to do things. I like to dance, go to the studio, sing. I plan makeup here and there. You see what I'm saying? I have a coloring book. I ain't never thought I was going to be on some shit like that. I'm not going to lie. Like, I used to give, oh, this is for kids. But now I find that really relaxes me, especially after a long day of work. Yeah, drawing. Even if you're not good at any of these things, crocheting, if you like to use your hands, even if you're not good at it, still do it. Still do what makes you feel happy and brings you joy, and what makes you feel loved at the end of the day. That is very, very important. Okay? And wow, I need to look into the camera. I hope I don't look crazy. Ignore me, guys. Do what makes you happy, and the small things that bring you joy, so that this way you can get back to remembering who you are on a deep soul and cellular level. Because sometimes we can forget who we are, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just one of those things that happens. And with every experience that we go through, we develop and build ourselves more and more and more and more. And that's important, and it's healthy. None of us have all of this shit figured out. Like, I'm in my 20s. I don't even really fully know what's going on. Like, I pay bills. Inflation is crazy, but I'm blessed and highly favored. I got my emotional support dog, you feel me? And I'm taking every lesson as a blessing, and that's all you can do. That's all you can do. None of us have anything figured out, and even when life kind of throws us curveballs, you still got to keep moving the path forward. You can't stay stuck, man, because you ain't signed up for that. You signed up to experience life in all of its fullness and all of its joys, and sometimes the joys comes with ups and downs. All right, so I just wanted to kind of touch on that, even though it's brief, but it is possible to get back out there and get back out there on a healthy level, you know. Take time for you. Bye, guys.